With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is, in the given circuit, find the value of y. Okay, so here we can see the y is the output and we are having two inputs. One is 1 and other is 0. And these are the given options that the circuit will not execute. The output will be 0. The output will toggle between 0 and 1, or the output would be 1. So now see, before starting this, we have seen the circuit, we are having NOR gate and NAND gate and a NOT gate. Okay, now before solving this question, we have to just basically, let me make the truth tables, okay, of the given gates so that it would be easy to understand. Okay, now see, we are already, yes, we are having a NOR gate, so we can write the truth table of NOR gate directly, or we can write the truth table of OR gate plus we can add with the NOT gate. Okay, so let me do it the simple way. So let me write the OR gate. Okay, OR gate truth table. So we have A, B, and Y. So let me write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, because OR gate and AND gate are the simple gates to remember. Okay, so that's why I'm taking the OR and AND gate. So here the output would be, in this cases, when both are the inputs are 0, it is 0, and rest it is 1. Okay, so remember this. If we are having even 1 in the single input is 1, then output would be 1 for OR gate. Next we have for AND gate. Okay, for AND gate, let me write it here only. This is Y OR, we can understand like this, and this is Y AND when AND gate. Okay, so for the AND gate we will have, if both the inputs are 0, we will get a 0. If see, for AND gate, if even single input is 0, we will get a 0. Okay, when both inputs are high, we will get a 1. And for NOT gate is very simple. If input is 0, we will get a 1 as output. If input is 1, we will get a 0. Okay, so now let's solve the circuit. So initially we are having 1 at one input side. So now see, when it will pass the NOT gate and input is 1, we will get a 0 at the output. Okay, so here we will get a 0. Now this is shorted with the two inputs of the OR gate here. Okay, so both inputs will be 0 to the OR gate, and the input to this NOT gate would also be 0 because it is shorted. So output of this NOT gate would be 1. Okay, when the input is 0, the NOT gate just reverse the input, so that is 1. Means at one of the input of this NOR gate we are having 1 as the input, right? Now solve this gate. Now see, we are having an OR gate here, so 0, when both the inputs are 0, we will get a 0, so we will get a 0 here. But see, there is a NOT gate here at the end, so it will reverse the input, so we will get a final input, final output of 1 from this NOR gate. Now see, this 1 is connected or shorted to the input of this NAND gate, so here it will be 1. And see, the other input of this AND gate is connected to 0, so we will get a 0 here. Now see, for this AND gate, when I have just said when one of the input is 0, the output of the AND gate would be 0, but because of this NOT gate, the 0 will be converted to 1 here. Okay, so the output of the NAND gate would be 1. Now this 1 is connected to the input of this OR gate, so this 1 will come here. Now for the OR gate, if both the inputs are 1, we will get a output as 1 only, so we will get a 1 here. Now because of this NOT gate, this 1 will get reversed and we will get a 0. Okay, now and this 0 is connected to directly the output of the circuit, so we will get an output of 0 here. So now from the given options we have A, B, C and D. The correct option would be B, 0. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.